Okay. So Arik has learned to ask for food. It is called Mom. And currently pancakes are Mom. Rob has Mom. And that is his mom dance.
This is an apple piece in
Is it Mom? Is it Mom?
Attacking me.
He wants his
What do you
mom.
want, Arik? You more food?
Oh, hi. How are you?
Very good. Did you get a good film there?
I'm still filming.
Oh.
Okay, I would like to give him a piece of Mom. This is how Arik eats his mom from his mom. It's right, like a horse. That's correct. Because you are lazy. Lazy little boy. Alright, Arik, can you say bye-bye? Yes, he's watching television. not as good unless you throw it twice. Here. Okay. Say bye-bye. Or just turn your head. Alright. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh. Alright. Bye-bye, baby.